I was jumping up and down on the washing machine and fell in the washing machine.
And that's why you're the reason why the dryer started to
When
have
you lift that up, that's why I stopped.
because of you.
Yeah. Because when I fell in, homie, it was on spin still. So we sued Quick Wash. Man, we sued Quick Wash. Man, I remember going through those depositions. Cause it took me a long time to have to learn how to walk again. Yeah, Quick Wash and won. So that's how my mother was able to afford my expensive attorney when I caught that murder case. She had to go petition the courts to get the money that I won out of the lawsuit against Quick Wash. But yeah, homie, before then, when you lift the lid up, that keep on doing what it do. So after that, yeah, they had to put a safety mechanism in. I think I was a 5-year-old kid, a small frame 5-year-old kid inside of a spinning washing machine that's going at its fast. I broke everything from my waist down. I passed out. Yeah, the pain.